Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner from Austin there, and we're gonna look at some more Cuddleborn items, and we're gonna look at Mother Goose, and there's a blue one and a pink one. Mother Goose is a talking animated toy based on the classic nursery rhyme character. She was made by Cuddleborn in 2011. Originally only with a blue bonnet in 2013, a version with a pink bonnet was added. She bobs up and down and moves her beak as she recites 5 nursery rhymes: Humpty Dumpty, Jack and Jill, Hickory Dickory Dock, and Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Due to the toy's popularity, an edition made in 2015 with 2 extra rhymes for a total of 7. These were Little Miss Muffet and This Little Piggy. This is IR Smart. IR Smart is a singing donkey made by Cuddleborn in 2013. He wears a black graduation cap and robe and holds a sign that reads, "Please hire me." He sways from side to side and moves his mouth while singing, "I can't deal with this, a parody of You Can Touch This." Jailhouse Johnny. Jailhouse Johnny is a singing raccoon made by Cuddleborn in 2011. He wears a prison jumpsuit, black leather jacket, and Elvis hair. He has a ball and chain tied around his foot. His head sways and mouth moves while singing Jailhouse Rock from Elvis Presley. Lean on Me Bear was made by Cuddleborn in 2013. He's a brown bear that wears a yellow polka dot bow and holds a yellow flower that reads "Lean on Me." In the center, his head sways and mouth moves while singing "Lean on Me." Top of Class Max. Top of Class Max is a singing dog made by Cuddleborn in 2018. He wears a graduation cap and a yellow sash that reads "Congrats Grad." He also carries a diploma in his mouth. He spins and sings "Best Day of My Life." Moose on de Loose. And it looks like this. Moose on de Loose is a singing moose made by Cuddleborn in 2010. He wears a plaid shirt and red jacket. His head sways and mouth moves while singing "Hit Me With Your Best Shot." In 2016, a mini version called Moose on de Loose Jr. was released. He sways his head to the music but do not move his mouth. Rocco Lobstah. Rocco Lobstah is a singing lobster made by Cuddleborn in 2011. He wears a captain's hat and bow tie. He sways, pinches his claws, and moves his mouth to the song "Sea Cruise." Woodchuck Chuck. Woodchuck Chuck is a talking and singing woodchuck made by Cuddleborn in 2018. He wears a green vest and hat. He carries a branch When activated, he moves his mouth and head and arm as he recites your tongue twisters and encourages children to join along. Tony Broadway. Tony Broadway is a singing bear made by Cuddle Barn in 2017. He wears a blue tux and carries a microphone. His head sways and mouth moves while singing New York, New York. Wheelie. Wheelie is a singing school bus made by Cuddle Barn in 2016. He sways from side to side, his mouth moves, and his eyes head light up as he sings the wheels on the bus. Twinkles. Twinkles is a singing owl made by Cuddle Barn in 2016. He sings Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, his wings flap and head sways, his belly also lights up and changes color. Bumping Bailey. Bumpy Bailey is a singing dog made by Cuddle Barn in 2017. He wears a red and green Santa hat and carries a matching present. He sways and flaps his ears to Christmas parody of Who Put the Bump. Run Gingerbread. And it does not have a picture. Run Gingerbread is a singing gingerbread man made by Cuddle Barn in 2016. He wears a chef's hat and green bow tie and holds a candy cane. He runs around as he sings Joe Scruggs, Gingerbread Man. Cuddle Crew. Oh, we already did those. Those are made by D&D. Spinning Easter characters. There's a chicken and a lamb. The spinning Easter characters were made by Cuddle Barn in 2015. There were two characters, Clucking Chuck the chicken and Silly Willy Nilly the sheep. They sway, spin, and cluck or bat to Here Comes Peter Cottontail. Theo and Rio. Theo and Rio are a singing bear and squirrel made by Cuddle Barn in 2018. Theo the bear moves his mouth and Rio the squirrel bobs his head as they sing Lovely Day. Leo the Jester. Leo the Jester is a singing lion in a jester's outfit. He was made in Cuddle Barn in 2018. His mouth, head, and arms move as he sings That's Amore. Physical Phyllis. Physical Phyllis is a singing pig made by Cuddle Barn in 2010. She wears a neon blue and pink jumpsuit and sweatband and moves her arms and legs to Let's Get Physical. Get Good Phil. Get Good Phil is a singing monkey made by Cuddle Barn in 2012. He wears a blue t-shirt with the words Feeling Good in yellow lettering. He moves his mouth and dances to I Feel Good. Light Up Snowflake Pals. The Light Up Snowflake Pals were released by Cuddle Barn in 2015. There's a snowman and a penguin. There are two characters, Snowball the Snowman, who sings Let It Snow, and Flurry the Penguin sings Baby It's Cold Outside. Both characters sway to the music as 3 snowflakes on their tummies light up with the song. Spring Chicken. Spring Chicken is a singing chicken made by Cuddle Barn in 2018. He sings You Make Me Feel So Young as his mouth moves and his neck grows. Special Delivery Ted. Special Delivery Ted is a singing bear made by Cuddle Barn in 2017. His head sways and mouth moves while singing Signed, Sealed, Delivered. Lionheart. Lionheart is a singing lion made by Cuddle Barn in 2017. He has a red heart-shaped mane which lights up as he shuffles back and forth to come and get your love. Truman the Turtle. Truman the Turtle is a singing turtle made by Cuddle Barn in 2010. He wears a top hat and bow tie and holds a cane. He moves his mouth, swings his arms, and taps his foot while singing Putting on the Ritz. Tiger Eye. Tiger Eye is a singing tiger made by Cuddle Barn in 2008. He wears a red boxer robe and matching boxing gloves. He moves his mouth, sways his head, and shakes his arms while singing Eye of the Tiger. Dauber. Dauber is a singing bear made by Cuddle Barn in 2008. He wears a red polo shirt that reads 5 across, I'm the boss, on the back of it. He carries a bingo carries a bingo card. He shouts bingo bingo over there bingo before breaking into a musical composition of the song Celebration. As he bounces up and down, lifts his card in the air, and moves his mouth to the words. Flappy Birthday. And there's two singing dogs. There's two singing ear-flapping dogs. There's a blue one and a brown one. Flappy Birthday is a singing dog made by Cuddle Barn in 2009. The original version has blue fur, green ears, and yellow hat, and sits in a blue fronted box. The revamped 2012 version has brown fur, a blue hat, and red in a red box. There is a slight difference between the two dogs' eyes as well. The dog leans forward and backwards in the box and flap his ears to the Beatles' Birthday. Clownin Clarice. Clownin Clarice is a singing clownfish made by Cuddle Barn in 2009. Her mouth moves and fins flap as he sings The Tide is High. Mackie. Mackie is a singing shark made by Cuddle Barn in 2009. He wears a black vest and red tie and carries a gold pocket watch. He bobs up and down and moves his mouth while singing Mac the Knife. Laid Back Louie. Laid Back Louie is a singing parrot made by Cuddle Barn in 2009. He wears a straw hat, Hawaiian shirt, and flip-flops. He taps his foot and moves his beak while singing Don't Worry, Be Happy. Patience. Patience is a singing cheetah made by Cuddle Barn in 2009. He wears a white nurse's coat and matching hat and carries a thermometer and